जय जय राम कृष्ण हरी. बोला पुंडलिक वरदे हरी विठ्ठल श्री ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम. पंढरीनाथ भगवान की जय. संत सद्गुरु गणेशनाथ महाराज की जय. Today, here, Sant Sadguru Ganeshnath Maharaj have told us about Karma Yoga. बोलविशी मज आपुली गुणकीर्ती. When we are walking on this Karma Yoga path, then one thing we have to keep in our mind. Whatever we are doing, we are just one animal. We don't have that sense to how to walk on or how to live in this world. So whatever our actions are going to perform due to this spirituality, due to this Chaitanya, and due to some knowledge which is already given to someone in our mindset. So from where this knowledge came, he is operating us. If you have bad knowledge or something bad thoughts, then we will act as a bad human being. If we have good thought, good knowledge, then we will perform with as a good human being. So here what Sant Sadguru Ganeshnath Maharaj want to tell us, I am going right way. It's not due to my effort or my duty, means whatever I am doing, due to my Sadguru or my Parmeshwar Paramatma have given proper knowledge. Like just you see the one computer in nature, there are different types of operating system. If you install Windows operating system, then we have to use that computer through method of Windows command. If you install their Linux or Unix or Mac operating system, we have to operate through those command. Like same thing here Sant Sadguru Ganeshnath Maharaj have told us, I am not doing anything, I am just 5 types of content this physical body, but this my computer machine is operated by something else, something other personality, and that is called God, Parmeshwar Paramatma or my Sadguru, because they have installed in my body proper operating system, and due to that operating system it is workable or it is working. So बोलविशी मज आपुली गुण करती, I am talking, I am telling this thought to you, but it's not my thought, it's came from my Sadguru. I am speaking through my mouth, but this sense, this spirituality given my God, sadbhava chitti deonya. And if you have this sense in our mind, then we are successfully will walk on this karma yoga. Because my son means my Sri Krishna Paramatma also told same thing to Arjuna. Karmanyavadhikarasya ma phaleshu kadachina. Hey Arjuna, you have only authority to perform your duty, whatever given by the God you. You don't have authority on result of that action. So whatever you are doing, do perfectly, do 100, give 100%, and then just wait for the result. Don't worry about those things. Whatever, if result is good or bad, don't worry, just perform our duty. So here same thing here Sant Sadguru Ganeshnath Maharaj have told us, Devuniya Jivana Lavi Anusandhana. You have given me life and my duty to remember you. If I forget one moment also, I will die. If like this dedication is there, then definitely that God will think this is my truth bhakta, devotee, and he will bless us and he will show us proper path, proper way to going to that lifetime happiness, lifetime satisfaction, Vageshwari Purna Amritachi. And then we will not feel sad in single moment also. We will always will feel happy. That is called Sachidanand Swarupa. Dehe Achetana Atma to Nirguna. After he told, If you see, this body is nothing, it's a temporary, one day it will destroy, because it's made from 5 type of content, and one day it will be destroy those 5 type of content. But something is there in this body that is called atma, which is a spiritually, means spirituality, and it is a chaitanya swarupa. It can't destroy, it is a stable from long long ago, and it will be stable again so many years. So we have to do some atma chintana to know that spirituality. Karta to आपण सूत्रधारी, and you are the actor, you are the director, you are everything in that movie. So this my life is nothing but one type of movie, and in this movie whatever you give me the role I will perform, but that performance also due to you only. So this type of full dedication, full sacrification towards God, then we will feel mukta, freedom, because we don't have binding to all those things. I done this thing, I done that thing. No ego, no. If you leave this ego, you feel ourself egoless, then we will feel free bird. Just jump everywhere, just go anywhere. That is our own power, own feelings. Karta आणि करविता सर्व तुझी सत्ता. Hey God, you are the karta, means you are the actor. Karvita, you are the director. Ganeshnath आता कैचा येते, and where is Ganeshnatha? I am nothing is here, because this you, if I see this physical body, it's or if I think something is my name is there, that name is not came from my birth, because someone have given me that name, someone have given me designation, some post, whatever I am doing the work. So nothing is permanent, everything is temporary in this world. But after all, this spirituality, this atma swarupa is permanent, and my duty to know those things, and I will do that, I will do every action for that. And this is the karma yoga. If you know this karma yoga swarupa, then whatever we are doing in this world, we will do perfectly, we will do with good deed, means good way, not bad way. If we don't know karma yoga swarupa, then what we will do, we will just run behind mind, behind this hurt. When you wherever this our mind will go, like I need that, I know that, means then we will not think which way through we are going. Then to just achieve those things, we will use some means shortcut way, and we will do some bad deeds, and due to that bad deeds we will feel sad, we will feel alone, and then we will be again and again birth death, birth death. That circle will be going on. So to stop that circle, feel lifetime happiness, feel satisfaction, then what we have to do, we have to do some atma chintana, we have to make some good deeds to achieve that position. गणेशनाथ 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 गणेशनाथ. बोला पुंडलिक वरदारी विठ्ठल श्री ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम. पंढरीनाथ भगवान की जय. संत सद्गुरु गणेशनाथ महाराज की जय.